everybody, today I'll be showing you how to make a translator like Google Translate in Scratch. And it's super easy, you only need one sprite for it. So we have the sprite named Globe Guy, you can change this if you want. As you can see, it's a picture of the Earth sprite from the sprite library that I've drawn a cartoony face over. I've also got a space background. So everybody is probably familiar with the Translate extension. And here's the two blocks that come from it. Today we're going to be focusing on this block, but how will we change this block to an actual program? Well, like any good piece of code, it starts with one click and forever. Then I'm just gonna ask a question. What do you want to translate? And a question mark. You can change the sentence if you want. Then, since we will be using the answer block multiple times, we're going to make a new variable, call it answer, and set answer to answer. So let's test it out. It asks you something. I'm just going to say hello. And as you can see, the answer has been set to hello. We're going to ask another question now. To what language? Then we're going to say translate answer to answer. And if we don't put anything here, it's just immediately going to ask this again. So we're going to wait until space key pressed. And you can change this if you like. So let's test it out. So what do you want to translate? Well, like this video now. And let's translate it to German. Like dieses Video jetzt. I spoke another language for you guys, so you have to do it. So it seems like the project is done. But wait, there's a problem. Get out the translate block again. And you'll see a list of languages. All good, right? But there's a problem. Look at the Chinese language. It has two variations, Chinese simplified and Chinese traditional. So when someone puts in Chinese, they're not going to get an answer because that's actually not an official language according to this block. We have to either put Chinese traditional or Chinese simplified. So let's make this. We're going to get out an if-else block and let's just put it here and transport these two into the else section. Now, if answer equals Chinese, then we're going to ask another question. It's going to say simplified or traditional, and wait. Now we're going to get out another if-else block, put it there. Again, if the answer equals simplified, then we'll just duplicate this and we'll say translate answer to Chinese simplified. Then duplicate this again and say translate answer to Chinese traditional. Now it should work, and you can just hide answer because it's not needed. So let's try it out. What do you want to translate? Subscribe. To what language? Chinese. Simplified or traditional? So I'm going to say simplified. And hopefully that was right and nothing bad because I can't read Chinese. Anyways, I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. I think you enjoyed this video too.